Where to control permission style viewing in Django? In the URL, via generic views, template, or view. I have a basic permission system where I am pretty much hard-coding permissions based on user.profile.user_type, where user.profile is equivalent to user.get_profile. For example, if a user_type is, say, 1, property manager, then that user can view all work orders. A user_type of 2, tenant, means that user can only view work orders that he created. I am currently simply using a class-based generic view in earls.py like this. And therefore I have no permissions control at all. So to add a permissions system, should I control it in the template like this? I have a feeling that trying to filter inside the template is a waste of a lot of SQL hits, because no matter what the user_type is, the template will still force Django to call every work order. Is that true? Or should I control it in the view like this? Obviously, if I try to control it inside views.py, then I can't use the generic views anymore. And lastly, my third option would be to, somehow, control it inside the class-based generic view. I don't even know if that's even possible. Maybe somehow with get_context_data? I really like the simplicity of generic views, but I'm not too familiar with the more advanced view concepts. What are you guys' suggestions?
If you use ListView, there is get_query_set method to do this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.